Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Audi TT vs Audi TTS, which is better. Follow along as I break down engine feel, handling, comfort, and cost so you can pick the right car. I'll describe key differences in power, steering, and suspension, and explain how those affect real-world driving. By the end, you'll know which model matches your priorities, whether you value daily comfort or track-oriented performance. In this video, I will compare Audi TT vs Audi TTS, which is better. I'll explain how horsepower, torque, and gearing translate to real driving experiences so you can feel the difference. Expect clear examples comparing acceleration, mid-range pull, and braking confidence in everyday scenarios. I also cover how suspension setup affects ride comfort versus agility, helping you choose based on whether you prefer relaxed cruising or spirited twisty road driving. In this video, I will compare Audi TT vs Audi TTS, which is better. Quick recommendation: if you like saving time, these leak-proof containers are perfect for weekend drives, trunk snacks, or meal prep between track days. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals mentioned. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will compare Audi TT vs Audi TTS, which is better. I'll walk through options, standard equipment, and which packages change the ownership equation. Listen for cost implications, expected maintenance, and insurance factors that influence long-term value. I'll highlight which features deliver tangible benefits and which are mostly cosmetic, so you can decide where to spend extra for performance or save for everyday practicality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.